Okay, today we are doing the Magnify client favorite 6-minute workout. It's 6 minutes, as many reps as possible, 6 different exercises. I hope you have your timer, your notebook, your pen to track all of your numbers, as well as your positive mental attitude, because this is gonna help you grow and feel and look good. So let's go. Starting off, remember I mentioned I've got my timer, and I've got my list right here. I'm starting here in the push-up position for 1 minute. When I am done, I will go ahead and track my reps. All right, timer on, 3, 2, and 1. Oh, maybe not. 3, 2, and 1. Oh, maybe not. There we go. I was taking it right up to the last second there. I got 24 push-ups. I was able to do them all on my knees, so I'm gonna write that down and try to beat that maybe in 2 or 3 days. Did I say on my knees? I meant on my toes. Okay, resetting. We are gonna be moving up to standing for our squats. You can add weight. I'm not gonna do that today. We got our timer. 3, 2, and 1. Woo, 3 more seconds. Oh, last one. Woo. There we go. There we have it. Have it at 34 for my squats, and I did body weight. So I'm gonna leave a BW here. If I add weight, then I'm gonna write that, maybe 10-pound dumbbell, something like that. But I'm doing body weight, and I did 34 reps. So I'm gonna try to beat that the next time I do this workout. Now we're coming down to the ground for a little bit more cardio. We're gonna do some mountain climbers. So back to push-up position we go. And setting the timer, here we go. 3, 2, and 1. 3, 2, and 1. I got 41 total. That was 41 for right and left. Whew, 82 reps. I always just count them as doubles. That way, I don't have to end up counting into the high hundreds. There we go. 41. And I'm gonna look to beat that on the next workout. Notice that with my mountain climbers, I was really controlling the movement. I wasn't just really running it out, so that meant a little bit more mind to muscle connection. Next up, lunges, coming up to standing. Think of these as single leg squats. I'm gonna do reverse lunges, focusing 30 seconds first on my left side and then on my right side. You'll see how I mark that on the graph. All right, let's go. Timer, start. I'm gonna pay close attention. So when it gets to 30, I switch. Got 12 on right side, starting that second 30 seconds. So in that minute, I got 12 on my left side, 13 on my right side. Now you might notice if you're doing single leg things that one side is stronger than the other. Could also just be timing. Don't give it too much power, but you can also see some muscle imbalances like this too. There we go. So next week or next time I repeat this workout, I'm gonna go for at least one extra rep there and one extra rep. So butterfly kicks. Notice we're kind of taking it from different muscle groups to different muscle groups. This is called periphery heart action training, so that your blood flow is actually to all of your extremities. So we're working upper body, lower body, core, upper body, lower body, core. We're going into those good old-fashioned butterfly kicks. I'm gonna go all the way to the ground. I'm sorry, I'm gonna go ahead and prop myself up because I got a microphone on. And I'm going to leave my legs extended as straight as possible, engage through my core. 60 seconds, here we go. 3, 2, and 1. I'm not gonna lie, sometimes the hardest part is keeping track in your mind when you're trying to get the reps done. I think that was about 24 total, so 48 each leg. Let's go here. And I did it slow on elbows. I always suggest keeping notes because when you repeat this workout, you're not gonna necessarily remember all of the little nitty gritty. So that's like your records for your future self. Last up, we're doing a V hold. This one is the only one, we're not counting reps, we're seeing how long we can stay in this isometric hold. So this is gonna be core as well as hip flexors, heart rate. Here we go, we're gonna get set up in an erect V. If you have to take it down to this, that's A-okay. We're just going for time, and we'll build it up from there. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. I'm gonna do the old-fashioned Tony Horton way. See if I can hold it. Okay, I want to come out of it, but instead of going all the way to the floor, I'm going to regress to this. And I looked at the clock and saw it was about 35 seconds. This is the last of the 6-minute workout. Here we go. 5 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. That's a wrap. So with this one, I would mark under V hold that I held it for 35 seconds and then regressed for the last 25 seconds. But hey, I stayed in the move for the whole minute, so that's good. And I can always shoot to progress, holding that for maybe 40 seconds next time, or even just 38 is a progression from 35, right? So this is all about progress over perfection. So I was able to hold it for 35, and then I regressed for 25. So I'm gonna kind of put like a meh face there. And that just helps me remember that's my own symbology for regression, but it's not actually a sad face. It's a good face. All in all, this routine helps you not just progress physically, but mentally as well. Because when you repeat this workout and apply progressive overload, we talked about this in the introduction tutorial video of this workout, you're gonna see yourself get better and better and better. And then that actually drives you to be motivated to be consistent. Motivation is actually happy hormones being released into our reward pathways, which creates a desire to re-experience that winning feeling. So every time you do this, be really in tune with your sense of accomplishment that it's done, but then also note how you progressed so that you do get those happy hormones and your body is saying, hey, I cannot wait to see how much better I get next time I do that. A really funny thing that happens as well with this is the more you're thinking about how to improve, the less appetizing alcohol becomes. So that's just a fun side note. Get out there, use this workout. If you're waking up feeling a little negative, you only have a 10-minute block to get some physical activity in, this workout is for you. 6 minutes and you're done.